Here's how you can reduce the amount of ads that appear on your Tecno phone, your Tecno Spark, Tecno Camon. So if you want to reduce what you are tracking in terms of sites visited, apps that you're browsing, and you notice if you go to another site, the apps will show you items or things that you have viewed in the past. And if you want that to be reduced, here's where you can go on your Tecno phone with Android HIOS. And of course, using the Google services, this is where you can go to reduce that. Let's get started. To find these settings, use the quick access like this here on your Tecno phone and go into the settings icon. Now, once you're here, you will want to go ahead and go down looking for this, as you may not find it if you use the search option. So go down into privacy, this option right here where it says privacy, go into that. And when you are here in this section, go down past all this until you see the more area, right to the bottom where it says more. Now, as you enter into the more section, you're going to see a few more settings here. Then go down past all this until you see ads right here. Sometimes it may be called Google services or just ads. And as you go into it, you'll see this option here. Now, if you want to reset it, basically you'll keep your advertising ID and just go ahead with the reset option. And of course, it's just gonna reset it. It doesn't really like completely stop it. It's just gonna reduce ads that or interest that's relevant to what you have been searching for the past few days and hours. Okay, so just go ahead and reduce that by doing this here. And of course, to completely start fresh over, just go with the delete advertising ID here. That's gonna give you a fresh start here, and it's still going to track you. Even if you don't select this option here, you'll see that it's still gonna track you, but just time and time, just come here and do this, and you'll just reduce the amount of ads that are relevant to you that you've been searching for in the past. That's gonna work for you, okay? And of course, you can, if you want to get a new one, just come back here and do that. And that's that, my friends, like and sub.